you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from the USA. This is Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup. It's an officially licensed Fong product by Aces. And this is the extra spicy version. So let's crack into this one and see what we got. I'd really like to do a mukbang of this. I'll definitely taste it. That's for show, but I just don't have time to do a mukbang today. I'm dealing with a self-imposed deadline. Well, first I gotta get kiddo on the bus, but I'm trying to get up to review 4100 before I publish review 4000. And right now, I think this will be 4097. So I'll get there. There might be time. I might be able to scarf this down really quick. Spicy, spicy. Microwave, microwave. Hello, Mario. Previous review going there. Remember this one did quite well. These are quite good too. I've been impressed with them. Come on. 5 minutes. Yeah, I still got this one from earlier. Sweet. Very sweet. It's funny, some I really like and some I just kind of, I'm like, yeah, that's okay, that's pretty good. Worth 50 cents. Absolutely. We got 5 minutes, what can we do? So, some don't tell you how much water to add, they just show add to the line. So I can't just like rip apart the cup, because the cup label and the cup itself are one and the same. So what I have to do is, you know, after everything's all cooked and done, then I have to cut everything up and then I can scan the stuff. I'm sure a lot of you people just think all I do is YouTube, and that's fine, I understand. But no, that's not all I do. If you go to the ramenraider.com, you'll see all my posts and reviews and all that stuff. Definitely. That's what I do mostly. Gotta take tons of photos and tons of scans. I think they're being nice over there. You guys being nice over there? Here yammering and howling. Yeah. And then I gotta like do this. Joe. And here. Are you talking to me, Mimi? Wow. No Play-Doh. I'm scared of Play-Doh. I can't see so well. And I let her play with Play-Doh. And my wife comes home and it's like, is that Play-Doh on the carpet? I'm like, where? I don't see it. Right there. That bright orange stuff. I'm like, I don't see anything that's bright orange. But sure enough, she does. I'm like, but you told me you didn't spill any on the floor, kid. But yeah, I do this, and I've got a large format tabloid size scanner. So this one isn't so large, that one. However, the one for today, I had 2 cups, and this one's actually a sleeve style, so you can peel it off. I could peel it off anyways. Yeah, I've got a large format. I could scan that whole thing in one shot. Really helps with the Japanese varieties that are really wide. There's some that are like, and if I just got to get it just right on there, and it'll do good. How much time we got? 40 seconds. 40 seconds. We are ready. This is kind of a neat bowl, isn't it? I think I got this at H Mart. I'm really not sure. H Mart or Wajimaya down in Seattle. If you're from the Northwest, you'll totally have heard of Wajimaya. But it's like, it's been around since, God. It's an old as dirt store chain. Neat stuff, but kinda on the spendy side. Gee, freaking God! Yeah, it's really hot. They ain't kidding. That's hot. May burn you. Yeah, it just did. Peel the lid off. Oh. And Jerry Mathers as the beaver. I don't know. I used to just like, oh yeah, leave it the beaver bed. But it's a pretty funny show. I like Eddie Haskell. He's a freaking hilarious character. Everybody had that guy as a buddy at one point. Oh, come on, let's just do it anyways. They said no, but we should just go and do it. Nobody's gonna be the wiser. What are you, chicken? Come on, jerkwad. Totally. Let's give it a try. Oh, noodle comes out of the microwave very nicely. Here's our broth. Indeed spicy. Mushroomy. Sadly, I really don't have time to do a mukbang today. I will say, if you're looking for extra spicy and you're not looking at like death class spicy, this will float your boat. I keep mentioning the term float your boat. I know it's a colloquialism or a term. I was listening, so it was a rainy, windy day. And I met my wife for lunch. I went to the grocery store, and they've got a little area by the deli where they got like the hot case and stuff. And they have some tables and chairs, and you can sit there and have a meal there. Well, there were some interesting folks in there hanging out. There was one guy was talking about getting his visa to move to the US or something, and he was I think he was Filipino, and I think he said he was like a language professor in the Philippines, but he was talking about how in English, especially in America, how we use so many like weird terms, and it makes learning English just like a bear for so many people. It makes sense, because it's like we have like the most screwy language. Everything is slang. It's very sloppy. Fried garlic. If I can find it. There you go. A little fried garlic. Over this way so we can get a nicer look at that broth. Although I don't know how the beauty shot's gonna work with that window right now with the lighting. Anyway. Yeah. There you go. But all right, well, that's it for me today. Hope you enjoyed. Go check out Sriracha. Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup by Aces. Officially licensed Fong product. And we got chicken, beef, lobster. Original and extra spicy. Check them out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.